So at some point in the past, I can't tell you exactly when because my brain doesn't function in that sort of way, but at some point in the past, Josh gave me these neat Jeep floor mats. And I think I said to him something like, man, you know, I'm going to ruin them things because that Jeep I got, snow plowing and all, I'll be tracking all kind of mud and dirt and stuff in on them. He said, I don't care. I gave them to you. You just use them any way you want. So I stuck them in there, but I was thinking now that the good Lord has blessed me with another vehicle. There's also a Jeep. Well, I could take them, beat the mud and the dust and the dirt off of them, and put them in my new Jeep over here. Wouldn't that be fancy? Oh, and I'd be like riding in high cotton there, you know? Know what I mean? Look at this one over here. I can't even see it because there's so much stuff down in there. I've got a lot of stuffage. I might have so much stuffage that the actual floor mat is okay, because all the dirt couldn't make it all the way down to where they're at. See, this used to be my dash box before it turned into something else. Oh, there's a line I might need someday for my snowplow, and here's some assorted chain things, and an old oil filter. I think everybody ought to have an old oil filter. And here's a radio that you can turn that little hand crank and get it to play music. Anyway, if you're ever in it's got a light on it too, so you can see in the dark and you can listen to music while you're sitting around somewhere with no power. So, I mean, everybody ought to have one of them. Now, what else is in here? Oh, it's a brake cylinder I never did install. Boy, there's a hammer. Yeah, and that thing there used to be part of an air cleaner thing. And this thing over here used to be a gauge holder. Oh, I got so much good stuff. And this big pipe here, let's see, that's very important in case I ever need to prise on anything. But to get this out of here, I need to pull on it. I'll kind of unstick it because I bet it's frozen to the floor. Yeah, baby. Yeah, okay. So I'll bring these out here. And I don't know how I'm gonna clean them exactly. What with all that, you know, water's running off my roof. I could set them under the water and squirt some cleaning fluid on them. Or something like that. Ooh.
Okay, I've been out here in the garage again until my fingers have about froze. I put correct air pressure in all the tires in the Jeep. I washed the windshield. I took these floor mats that Josh gave me a long time ago, these Jeep floor mats, and I kind of gave them a snow wash. I didn't want to take them inside and put them in the bathtub, so I swept them. I drug them around in the snow. I sprayed some glass cleaner on them. I've got a little meltage coming down from up there, so I thought, well, that's the only water I see running around here today, so I put them over here to rinse themselves down, and that's working pretty good actually. You know, I at one point put them on the driveway and slid them down the driveway, and let the snow hopefully kind of get down in the cracks and crevices and rinse out dirt and stuff. They're probably clean enough now where if I want to take them in and take a shower with them when I do that later, it wouldn't hurt anything in there. I am splashing a little bit of dirt on the side of the house, but I'm pretty sure as soon as I move them, it'll be hitting that piece of tin I've got up under there to catch that water and splashing up clean water, and it'll take care of that. So it's not going to do any real permanent damage or anything. Oh, joy. So, what else? I think that's a pretty good bit. I'm starting to feel my fingers going numb. So I think I'm going to go in and hang out until my brain defrosts a little bit, and then maybe I'll come back. Okay. Hey, it's raining out here. It's snowing yesterday. Today it's raining.
Anyway, I wanted to show y'all the finished product. These are the floor mats that Josh gave me. Right here. Ain't them pretty? Them look good in there. I got a little mud on them already because it's between the snow and the rain. Oh, look at the mist coming up off the river back there. Oh, so I say that's probably mist coming off the rain falling on the snow. Hey, I gotta get inside. I'm getting rained on.